Now let's have a look at the weather with Wendy Hurrell, who's here, and it's very miserable weather, Wendy.
It's really not very nice at all, is it, out there at the moment? I do have some better news for you, for the time being at least. It is going to be calming down throughout the day. It is going to be drying out as well, but it is only just for a time. There is a bit of brightness even we might just start to see as we go through the rest of the afternoon. You can see it here, but this great swathe of cloud curling around the centre of the low pressure there is what was brought us the rain today. Now that low pressure sinks south as we go through the next 24 hours. It means the wind comes in from an easterly direction to us. It comes over the warmer North Sea, so all the showers excuse me, are going to be really quite lively as we go through the next 24 hours, particularly for Kent, Sussex, into East London as well. And we could have some fairly substantial rainfall totals from this as well. Now the main band of rain that we've seen all the way through the morning is starting to move away from us. It has left most of London now. It's just around towards the east. It will stay windy though, particularly the North Kent coast through the Thames estuary and spots like Southend, for example, so not feeling all that warm throughout the rest of today. And then as we go through the night, well, it starts to ease off a little bit for a time, but then the wind picks up. It comes round to the east, and that will start to push in these showers. As I say, there are going to be some really quite intense downpours, and if you're in a place that gets one after the other, then we could have some substantial rainfall totals, possibly with a bit of localised flash flooding as well. As I say, mainly towards the east, further west, those showers will be fewer, a temperature of 6 degrees overnight tonight. The showers continue as we go through the day tomorrow. A cold easterly wind blowing. Even if you don't see those showers, it's going to be a gloomy day. Lots and lots of cloud around and really feeling quite chilly as a result. Temperature perhaps of around 9 degrees. We do have a respite on Wednesday. A weak ridge of high pressure brings us some sunshine and calmer conditions. The next Atlantic weather front though moves in on Thursday. Wet and windy once again, I'm afraid.
Thanks very much for that, Wendy.